Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well, and also hope that you have done your examination successfully with good marks. Now, second term is over. You are going to get the results is in the month of Jan, and we have to be ready for the third term examinations that will be is in the Feb. Whatever the portion we are going to start now. So today we are going to start the Scratch Programming Revision 1. As we know that we have to cover two chapters. First is Scratch Programming Revision 1 and second is Scratch Programming second part, that is advanced features. We are proceeding with the exercises and discuss and trying to understand the different answers also. How many directions can you make? The first question is how many directions can you make a sprite point to? I think you will revise the answers with me. The directions can you make a sprite point to is 360. Second question is which option allows you to start a scratch programming script? Which options allows you to start a scratch programming script? The answer is every scratch script must begin with a head block. Every scratch script must begin with a head block. Question number 3. Complete the sentences given below by writing a word that you think is correct. As first question is Ahmed wants to create a game and want to use all the tabs in Scratch. He wants to add music to the game. To do this, he must use the tab. Which tab he must use? The answer is repeat until block. Automatically it will repeat until block whenever the circumstances are not false. The next question is what is coding? As the answer is in the statements form. Coding helps to create apps known as applications, softwares, and websites. Coding helps to create apps, software, and websites. Question number 5. Projects are made of objects is called. The question is projects are made of objects is called. The answer is sprites. Every project must contain sprites. So projects are made of sprites. The question number 6 is write down three types of script block. Example, control block. Whenever you will give the answer, don't write the same as name is control block. You should write the other block's name. Write down three types of script blocks. Example, control blocks. So the answer you must write is in the full statements. The three different type of script blocks are motion block, sound, and event. Motion, sound, and event. The next question is what are the two main buttons used for in the game, that is green button and red button at the top of the stage. Again the question is what are the two main buttons used for in the game, that is green and red at the top of the stage. First is run a script project and second is red is stop project. Green is used for run a script project and second is stop project. Question number 8. Name the blocks that allows you to add music to the program. Name the block that allows you to add music to the program. The answer is sound block. Allows us to add music to the programs. Question number 9. Name the blocks that allows you to move a sprite in one way or another way. Name the blocks that allows you to move a sprite in one way or another. The answer is motion block. Motion blocks allows us to move the sprite in any directions. Question number 10. Name the blocks that can be programmed to draw lines and shapes. Name the blocks that can be programmed to draw lines and shape. The answer is a pen block. Pen block allows us, we can be programmed to draw lines and shaped. Question number 11 is name the block that sets the action. Name the block that sets the action. Event block sets the action. Event blocks Events block set the action. Question number 12. Which of the following tool will you use to draw your own sprite? Which of the following tool will you use to draw your own sprite? Paint editor tool we will use to draw, to modify our own sprite. Next question is, what is the image called that always remains on the stage and on which sprite perform action? The image called that always remains on the stage is background. So background is the answer. So the image called that always remains on the stage is background, and on which sprite performs action. It can be white background or a picture is in the background. Question number 14 is programming blocks once they are linked together are called they are linked together are called blocks. The next question is, how many steps in the total will the sprite move when clicked? How many steps in the total will the sprites move when clicked? The answer is 8 steps. Thanks. Kindly revise all checkpoints. It is most important and revision time and must go through within the chapters for better results. Hope you will do better in this examination as compared to the last examinations. We will conclude with these ideas, and next time you should be ready with the next chapter, sprites 2. Thank you all. Thanks you once again.